And normally to strip the forearm, I would use my thumb and dig in, and I would rotate the arm so I can follow the grain of the muscle. So if somebody's trying to relax, like I'm having them do like a mini workout because I'm moving and manipulating the arm, which may take them out of their comfort state. Some people are just not good at relaxing their limbs, so they will literally try to help me out, work with me, to try to help me do the motion. But it's just output they don't have to do. But when I use this, I can literally position the arm where I want it to be and let it be steady. I'm going to use the side of the tool to go through here because his forearm muscles are kind of tight. I could still do all the manipulation to move it, but I don't have to. Like I could still go through all of this, but I don't have to. I can just leave it right here and just do what I need to do. Again, be comfortable using the handle on the bonier side of the arm, only because the bones are there. Just don't want it to be uncomfortable, but you could still get a good strip. If I turn it over and work the inside, this is where I really could use the handle. And again, it doesn't take much pressure, even though you can't apply a lot of pressure. But again, I would use it for somebody who's doing rehab if you were trying to do a lot of pressure or break up adhesions or something like that post-surgery. But I do like this side of it for the biceps. And again, if I don't have enough lubricant there, I can wiggle the tool around. I can pick up oil or a product from another part of the body and just keep it going as opposed to applying more lubricant.
Feels good. Definitely feels nice.
I'm almost wondering if you could use this as a recovery tool. Like if you're somebody who works out heavily. And you tell me how it feels on your hand. I'm going to use the wand or the handle just to get between the fingers. Kind of help with that connective tissue there.
That feels nice.
And it might not look like it's doing much, but you can definitely feel it. I'm just going to rotate your arm in. And like I said, if I was doing his palms, I would literally have to use both my hands to cover a lot of area and still not cover a lot of area. I'm going to rotate you that way. But if I use the handle of the tool, and because the tool has like a little button on the end of it, I will literally be able to cover a big portion of the right side of his hand as well as the center, just with one motion, as opposed to using my fingers, my thumbs rather, and doing so much work. Or I can use both of them. But really my thumb isn't doing much work. The tool is. can rotate it around. I can use it on the thumb pad. And see, I have clients that have, I don't know what the condition is called, but the tendon here has drawn. So these two fingers end up like that. And I want so bad to help lengthen it out, and I can't. But I really feel if I was using this, it would help lengthen it out a little bit, or at least reduce the opportunity for it to draw. What I love about it, it's not sharp, so it's not going to inflict much pain unless you're just like, you know, really digging in. And I can even use the button on the end that just like do passes all the way across.